What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to discuss best life insurance with no medical exams. Finding the right life insurance can be challenging, especially if you prefer to avoid medical exams. Fortunately, several reputable companies offer no-exam policies that provide peace of mind and financial security. This video highlights 5 of the best options available, each designed to cater to different needs and demographics, ensuring you can find suitable coverage without the hassle of medical evaluations. First is Ethos. Ethos offers a straightforward, fully digital life insurance application process, providing coverage of up to $2 million for individuals aged 20 to 65. The company does not require a medical exam. Instead, applicants answer basic health questions. With a 30-day look period, policyholders can cancel for a full refund if they change their minds, ensuring peace of mind. Ladder provides an innovative approach to life insurance with coverage options up to $3 million for adults aged 20 to 60. Their application process is quick and efficient, often resulting in approval within minutes. While higher coverage amounts may require a medical exam, Ladder's no-exam policies are ideal for those seeking immediate and flexible life insurance solutions without the hassle of extensive medical evaluations. AARP offers life insurance tailored for individuals aged 50 to 74, providing whole life policies with coverage up to $25,000 and term policies up to $150,000. These policies do not require medical exams or extensive health questions, making them accessible for older adults. AARP is known for its reliability and commitment to serving the needs of its members, ensuring peace of mind. USAA specializes in life insurance for military members and their families, offering guaranteed whole life policies with coverage ranging from $2,000 to $25,000 without requiring medical exams or health questions. Known for exceptional customer service, USAA provides a straightforward application process that caters specifically to the unique needs of military personnel, ensuring that they receive reliable and affordable coverage. Mutual of Omaha offers guaranteed acceptance life insurance for adults aged 45 to 85, providing coverage between $2,000 and $25,000 without medical exams or health questions. This policy includes a graded death benefit that pays back premiums plus interest if the policyholder passes away within the first 2 years. Mutual of Omaha is recognized for its commitment to customer satisfaction and financial stability. In conclusion, selecting a no medical exam life insurance policy can simplify the process of securing coverage. The options in the video offer flexible solutions tailored to various needs. By choosing one of those providers, you can ensure peace of mind for yourself and your loved ones. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.